Welcome to the world of YouTube, where creativity meets opportunity. Today, we delve into the top 24 faceless YouTube niches where you can make money in 2024. As the digital landscape evolves, so do the avenues for content creation. Faceless YouTube niches offer a unique way to create and share content without ever showing your face. We'll be revealing a list of 24 such niches that are expected to be profitable in the year 2024. Ready to explore? Buckle up and let's dive into the first niche. First up, we have ASMR, an evergreen niche that is always in demand. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a sound-based niche that thrives on creating a sense of comfort and relaxation. With its unique ability to tap into the sensory experiences of listeners, it's no wonder it's a hit. From whispered readings to the soothing sounds of nature, this niche offers a plethora of opportunities for creativity, making it a profitable venture for faceless content creators. Next, we move to the world of animation. This niche is a goldmine for those with a knack for storytelling. Whether it's creating animated shorts, educational videos, or explainer videos, the possibilities are endless. Plus, the demand for engaging and visually appealing content makes this a lucrative niche. Then, there's podcasting. This niche leverages the power of voice, allowing you to connect with your audience on a more personal level. From sharing expert insights to storytelling, podcasting offers a wide range of topics to cover. And with the rise of audio content consumption, it's clear that this niche is a moneymaker. Music is another profitable niche. Whether you're creating original compositions, providing instrumental tracks, or even sharing relaxing ambient sounds, music has a universal appeal. It's a niche that never goes out of style and caters to a wide audience base. Screen recording tutorials are also on our list. This niche is perfect for those who are experts in a particular software or game. By sharing your knowledge through easy-to-follow tutorials, you not only provide value, but also carve a profitable niche for yourself. Lastly, we have audiobooks. In today's fast-paced world, more and more people are turning to audiobooks for their reading fix. If you're a voice actor or have a flair for narration, this niche can be a great way to earn. That covers our first 6 niches. But hold on, there's more to come. Next on our list is the gaming niche, which has a massive audience base. Whether you're a pro-level player or simply a passionate gamer, you can share your gaming experiences, tips, and tricks without ever having to show your face. Live streaming, game reviews, and walkthroughs have the potential to draw millions of views. So, if you're into gaming, this could be your golden ticket. Moving on, we have the meditation and relaxation niche. With the hustle and bustle of the 21st century, more people are seeking out ways to unwind. Guided meditations, relaxing soundscapes, and mindfulness teachings are all in high demand. And the best part? You can create all these videos without showing your face. Next up is product reviews. If you're someone who loves trying out new things, why not share your experiences with the world? You can review anything from the latest tech gadgets to skincare products, all while maintaining your anonymity. Your honest reviews can help others make informed decisions, and the potential for earnings is considerable. Now here's a delicious niche: cooking without showing face. If you're a foodie with a knack for whipping up scrumptious dishes, this could be the niche for you. Share your recipes, cooking tips, or even food hacks. People are always on the lookout for new culinary inspirations, and your faceless cooking videos could be just what they're craving. Next, we have travelogues with voiceover. Even if you're camera shy, you can still share your travel experiences. Narrate your journey, share interesting facts, and your personal insights. The world is always eager to explore new places, even if it's through someone else's lens. Last in this segment, but not the least, is the stock footage niche. High-quality stock footage is always in demand for various projects. If you have a good eye for capturing stunning visuals, this could be a profitable venture. That's half of our list covered. Stay tuned for even more exciting niches. Moving on, we turn to the niche of unboxing videos, a favorite among online shoppers. Unboxing videos offer the thrill of revealing what's inside the box. It's like opening a present, and who doesn't love that? This niche has gained immense popularity over the years and shows no signs of stopping. Plus, it's a golden goose for content creators, with sponsored products and ad revenue making it a profitable choice. Next up is language learning. In our increasingly globalized world, more people than ever are seeking to learn new languages. This niche caters to that demand by providing instructional videos on different languages. With the right strategy, you can turn this into a lucrative venture, with opportunities for course sales, partnerships, and ad revenue. Then we have life hacks. These are quick, practical tips that make everyday life easier. This niche is incredibly popular because, let's face it, we all love shortcuts that make life easier. And the best part? It's a niche that's easy to monetize through sponsorships and ad revenue. Let's talk about history and facts. This niche caters to the curious minds that love to learn about the world around them. It's a great niche if you're passionate about education and sharing knowledge. Plus, it's a niche that's ripe for monetization through course sales, ebook sales, and ad revenue. Next, DIY crafts. This niche is perfect if you're crafty and love to create. It's a thriving community of makers and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. And guess what? It's a niche with great earning potential, with opportunities for product sales, partnerships, and ad revenue. Lastly, we have technology explainers. This niche is all about explaining complex tech topics in simple, understandable terms. It's a niche that's in high demand with the rapid advancement of technology. And it's a niche with excellent earning potential, with opportunities for sponsored content, partnerships, and ad revenue. We've covered 18 niches so far. Are you ready for the final 6? Next up, we have the niche of pet videos, which is always a hit with animal lovers. This niche is all about sharing those adorable, funny, heartwarming, or downright awe-inspiring moments that our furry, feathered, or finned friends provide. And the best part? You don't have to be in front of the camera, just let your pet steal the show. Moving along, we have fitness and workouts. With more and more people embracing healthier lifestyles and home workouts, this niche is booming. You can share your fitness journey, workout routines, or even yoga sessions, all without showing your face. Next, let's talk about nature sounds. This niche caters to those seeking relaxation, focus, or a peaceful sleep. It's all about capturing the soothing sounds of nature, like rain, waves, or forest sounds, and sharing them with the world. Now let's walk into real estate tours. This niche is all about showcasing beautiful properties around the world, from cozy cottages to luxury villas. If you have an eye for design and architecture, this could be your gold mine. Our next stop is financial advice. Money matters, and so does financial literacy. In this niche, you can share investment tips, budgeting hacks, and financial advice, all without showing your face. Last but not least, we have e-learning. With the rise of online education, this niche is more relevant than ever. Whether you're sharing coding lessons or language tutorials, the demand for high-quality educational content is only growing. Each of these niches offers immense potential for profitability. It's all about finding what resonates with you and your audience. Remember, passion and authenticity always shine through, even when your face doesn't. And that wraps up our list of 24 faceless YouTube niches for 2024. But wait, we're not done yet. There you have it, 24 faceless niches where you can make your mark on YouTube in 2024. We've traversed a wide range of opportunities, from gaming and animation to meditation and cooking, all the way to the world of unboxing and review videos. Remember, the beauty of these niches is that they don't require you to be in front of the camera, leaving you free to focus on delivering top-notch content. The key takeaway from our journey is that there's a niche for everyone. Whether you're an artist, a tech enthusiast, a nature lover, or a bookworm, there's a place for you in the YouTube universe. The trick is to pick a niche that not only has potential for growth, but one that aligns with your interests and skills. After all, passion fuels creativity, and creativity is what sets successful YouTubers apart. Remember, the world of YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a platform where consistency, quality, and authenticity reign supreme. So pick a niche, create a plan, and get started. You never know, the next big YouTube sensation could be you. Remember, the key to YouTube success is consistency and quality content. So, which niche caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned to Healthy Insight for more content. Until next time, keep creating.